Alright, hey folks, it's early, Saturday morning, 6 o'clock, getting ready to head back to Hillside. Hopefully we're going to bring one home today, and wish me luck. Stay tuned. Started raining. Wasn't supposed to rain till 10, a couple hours early. Right now it's not super bad, but sounds like it's here to stay. Looks like it, we'll stick it out as long as we can. I don't have any rain gear because I was just going to go back around 10:30 if it started then, but alright, we'll see what happens. Well, it's almost 10 o'clock. So nearly 2 hours of rain. No deer. Saw a few squirrels. Then they went away when the rain came. Oh, I did see something cool. I was looking down. Hold on. Let me turn your guys around. Show you. I'm gonna show you Hillside too. I don't think I showed it in the other video. Alright, let me turn the camera around. Hold on. This is where we are. Two-man stand on Hillside. Saw the deer the other day over there. And then over there, that doe we filmed. But earlier, it was cool. I was looking down where I cleared so I could see down to the creek. I looked down there and I saw movement, actually peripheral vision. And I saw something. I saw a tail straight up in the air, and I thought it was a fox for a second. Then I saw another tail. And right down in the middle, right in there, were two raccoons. And they were facing off, had their tails straight up, their backs curled up, and they started fighting. And one took off. That was pretty much it. But that was cool. Don't see that very often. But the rain is definitely settled in. Cleared out that lane. This lane's been cleared. There's another stand down through there. On the end. And that black line, that's actually the creek. Here we are at Hillside. So I built that to get down this steep hill. And right there's the hole. Sit down in there. I put all kinds of pines and brush. And there's the other stand right there, tree stand. And then of course the deck. That's where we are this morning. Getting rained on. And we got seat with a pillow cushion squeezed up in there. Really comfortable. Burlap. Hidden Woodsman, haversack. Never leave home without my bleat. Alright, so that was a look at where I'm sitting today in the good old two-man tree stand that me and my dad put together years ago. It's rainy, at least it's not super cold, and I didn't really get wet underneath this canopy. Real nice. Look at that. Yeah, I'm covered. Very well. It was a good morning, anyway. I'm gonna call it. Go up, get something to eat. Yeah. I had plans, actually. I've got some buck steps from years ago. And there's a tree stand back in there, actually. You can see it. It'll be right there in the middle of the screen on that tree. And I'm going to take the buck steps, go up even higher, and then put one of my hang-on stands. And I want to get over 25 feet up in the air over there, because those deer come through there the other day. I could have whacked them. Alright, just climbed up and taking a look from the top view. There's where we were. There's the hole. And then there's the hang-on tree stand. Cleared off the leaves. Coming up is a lot easier when they're wet. Scrape them quietly because the rain is so noisy. Alright, that's it. Appreciate you guys stopping by once again. Subscribe. Hit that bell icon. Remember, get outdoors, in the woods, go hunt. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Yeah, my finger's healing up pretty good. Gotta clean out the dry blood each night, but it's getting there.